Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Charge Essential second generation speaker with your Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, you have to remember to charge your speaker for like 20-30 minutes, and also just disconnect previously connected devices. Next, we have to power on our speaker by using this power button. As you can see, indicator lights up, and also we can hear this notification sound. And the next step, just click once on this Bluetooth button to activate the pairing mode. Right now it is blinking, and also we can hear that sound. So it means that we are successfully in the pairing mode. The speaker is visible to other devices. So simply we have to open the Bluetooth settings on our Android device. I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step from the settings. So go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth on your phone, turn it on with the switcher, and then from available devices list you have to select your JBL Charge Essential 2. Accept the pairing request. And right now you are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.